Hello, welcome to my channel TechMachine. In this video, I will show you how to use Microsoft Excel. First, I will show you how to open Microsoft Excel. Press the right button of your mouse, go to New and click a Microsoft Office Excel worksheet. And it's here. Open it if you will wish to open it. I will show you how to open it from Windows panel. Go here, search for Microsoft Office, and it's here. You can see it. You can also open it here from searching it, Microsoft Excel, and open it. Open it. If you are a beginner, if you are using Microsoft Excel for the first time, do this language. It's good language for the beginners who are using this for the first time. Write something. If you have to write something to numbers from 1 to 100, some roll numbers, serial numbers, or some different thing, it will take a long time to write, like 1, 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. It will take a long time. Simply I will give you a trick how to do it in just a second. When you will write 1, then take the mouse to the corner of this and press the control button on your keyboard and drag it, and it is done. Very easy. If you have to write some number continuously, it is also easy to do it. Take your mouse pointer to this point and drag it. Do not press any button. It's also very easy. If you have to write date, drag it. Also take the point to this corner and drag it without pressing any button. You can see it is in the sequence. It is 29, that is Feb, it's a leap year, so it's 29, then 1, then 2. Very easy. And I will show you, if you have to write something in bold, italic, or underline, or double underline, what you will do. Simply go here, press the bold button on upward side, then write something. My computer, it's in bold, and write it italic. It's also done. Take it here, my computer, then write it in underlined. If you want to write it in double underline, click here, write my computer, done. Drag it to here. It's done. So it's all for this video, and I will show you how to save this. Go here, go save as, go to save as, and save it in documents. Write something that is first page, first worksheet, and save it. I can give another trick how to use it. Simply press Ctrl and S, and it will be saved. And the save procedure you have to do, like you have to write the name of your worksheet that you have made, and give the location where you have to save it. So thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel TechMachine and press the bell icon and give me a like. If you have some problems while making a worksheet, please comment. Thank you.